third grade, we're continuing with commas. So we're going to be working commas with the dates today. So we're going to see dates where it's going to have the month, which the months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And we are in February. We just made it to our first week of February. So now when you write a date, you're going to need a comma in a certain place. The comma goes between the day and the year. So right here it says March 10th, 2066. So I wouldn't put the comma between March and 10, I'd put it between the 10 and 2066. So between the two numbers, it's kind of adding like a pause between two numbers so it doesn't look like one big number. So between the day and the year. So this would be what the correct sentence would look like. But if we had instead, so just like up here's another example, January 1st, 2000, the comma is going in between the day and the year. If it just said January 1st, well, there's not two numbers, so I'm not going to put a comma. And if it just said May 2021, there's not two dates, two numbers, so I'm not going to put the comma. So let me go through some examples just to show you what it means. So this is what our homework is going to be looking like. We are going to be adding the comma in missing sentences. So Mr. Ellis bought a new car on January 5th, 2011. So I see the month, I see the day, and I see the year. The comma always comes between the day and the year. So I just drag it and I put it there and it adds like a little space, like January 5th, 2011, instead of it looking like 52,011. So it shows the space. So here, same thing. What will life be like on Earth? Excuse me. On March 10th, 2066. Well, I know it goes in between the day and the year. So the two numbers, it's going to go in between two numbers. All right, and let's do a few more. So now, this is where it's going to get tricky. The last time it snowed around here was January 2013. So I know the comma, when it's with dates, it goes in between two numbers, the day and the year. But here, we just have the month and the year. So I want you to think, do we need a comma? The answer is no, because only between two numbers, the day and the year. If there's not the day and the year, then the sentence is fine and you don't have to do it. So same here, the Eagles played against the Hawks on March 4th. So I have the month and the day, but I don't have the year. So, since there's not two numbers, do I need a comma? No sir, no ma'am, we do not need a comma in this sentence because we don't have the year and the date, the day. So, I hope that helps. Remember, it goes in between the day and the year, which are going to be two numbers. It goes in between there. All right, that is it for today. Have a great Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, third grade.